viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back again. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free Litecoin directly to your Trustwallet account without using Faucet Pay or any other wallet. This is directly to your Trustwallet account. So guys, you enjoy what you are doing on this channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be notified on that. So guys, the name of the site or game is just like a game though. The name of the app which I'm going to be showing you is called LITECOIN Giveaway, as you can see here. So I already have the account. All I need to do is just to play, but when I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below. When you click on the link, it's going to be referring you to your Play Store. That is for Android. Your Play Store for your Apple is going to be taking you to your Apple Store. Now when you install the app, you click on play. Now when you click on play, it's going to be taking you directly to your own dashboard. As you can see over here, this is the amount of coins I have earned. So I already have up to 26,000 Satoshi of Litecoin. So guys, as you can see, this is what I have claimed. You say you have claimed this. So all you need to do is to click on, as you can see over here, this is the amount which I've already withdrawn so far. So when you click on hourly claim, because you're going to be doing this claim every hour, so you click on hourly claim and rule. Now all you need to do is to click on spin prices. Then you do it again. As you can see here, we have one spin left. Then you click on it again. As you can see, we have over here 331 and 210. So you are going to be clicking the highest, which the highest is 331. Click on yes. As you can see, it has already been added to our balance. So you come back in the next 1 hour to do it again. Also, you can earn by offer walls, bonus claim, and some other method. So when you click on the bonus claim, this is what it's going to be showing you. You're going to be seeing, you're going to be getting one from all this. Now you click on get reward. You're going to be watching an advert. As you can see, you're going to be watching this advert. So after viewing the advert, you go back to your and then you cancel, click on the X voting which is over there. So all you need to do next is to click on claim reward, which is over here. Click on claim reward, and it's going to be spinning to give you your reward. As you can see, 150 Satoshi has been added. So you click on continue. So guys, on this app, you don't need to request for withdrawal. All you need to do, when you click on control panel, which is down here, then click on control panel, you are going to be setting your address. So as you can see, our next payout is on the 2nd of August 2022. Now the withdrawal from this app is automatic. You don't need to place your withdrawal. You need to just place your Trustwallet Litecoin address, and every week, every Tuesday, is going to be sent directly to your Trustwallet address, to your Trustwallet account, without you requesting for withdrawal. So the minimum threshold for withdrawal is 20,000 Satoshi. As you can see over here, I've gotten over that, waiting for my withdrawal. So if you download the app for the first time, your minimum threshold is going to be 100,000 Satoshi. So to reduce the minimum threshold, all you need to do, as you can see over here, you click on payment threshold. Now when you click on payment threshold, as you can see here, you can change it, and I've changed mine to 20,000 Satoshi. And you can also, when you click on 20,000, when you click on the 20,000 Satoshi, as you can see, but if you are doing this for the first time, it's going to be sending a code to your email address, and you're going to be inputting that code in this place over here to automatically change your minimum threshold to 20,000 Satoshi, so you can be able to make your withdrawals quickly every week. So guys, this is a nice payment platform, payment of Litecoin app in which you can use. As you can see, I'll be showing you some. So as you can see guys, this is what I've earned just from that app alone. This is what I have earned so far. Every week you are going to be withdrawing. As you can see, I've made withdrawal just 3 times, as you can see over here. So guys, every week you can make a lot of Litecoin from this. And as you can see, the price of Litecoin due to the dip in the market, it has reduced. So guys, this is a nice way to earn Litecoin directly to your Trust wallet by just doing this. So guys, in the next hour we're going to be making our claim again. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be notified. And also leave a nice comment in the comment section below if you enjoy what we are doing on this channel. Thanks for watching.